everyone, Tippa here. This episode I want to talk about my birthday wish come true. Swim with whale sharks. So my birthday wish this year was to swim with the whale sharks. So we flew down to Cancun in July. The whales are here in the summer, June, July, August. They come down to feed. And we took and booked our tour at our resort, and they booked it with Cancun Adventures. We had Eduardo, we had our swimmer Leo, and our captain. And I know it's so funny when you meet somebody in Mexico, you know them by their state. So we had Louisiana, Arizona, a father-son from New Jersey, and a lovely honeymooning couple from Wales with us on our tour this day. You do take your turn in twos, 2 people in with the swimmer at a time. The swimmer always lets you know where you are and what we're doing here. But as you can see, there's 2 whales out there right now. So there is several boats out there at one time, so you always pay attention to your captain and your swimmer. They say go, you go. You can see in the horizon there are several different circles of boats. There's no larger boats allowed out here, and these whales are here to feed. There's lots of plankton in the water. Manta rays can also be seen, although we did not see any. So this is regulated. They're not allowed to scuba dive here anymore, only snorkeling. You must have a life jacket on, and we patiently waited until our turn. See, our swimmer actually stopped us, which I did not realize. Those white bubbles are another boat. So I would have kept swimming after the whale shark. I'm glad somebody's paying attention. I each had a camera, so there are 2 different views. We did only get to do two jumps, but there are 2 views of each jump. Just a quick note here, highly recommend to take Dramamine before you go. It's a rough ride out. It's just over an hour at least. And when you're waiting your turn, you're just kind of sitting there rocking. Out of the 10 people on the boat, 5 were nauseous and 3 were hurling over the side of the boat. Like this poor guy. He had a hard time. And get that Dramamine before you leave home, or you're gonna pay triple the price like we did. It had been so rough because of hurricane or tropical storm Elsa by then, but we definitely were glad we took it. So our captain was very good. He was very patient. He watched the whales and kind of saw where they were going and let us know when to go, where to put us. He usually put it right in front of them so that they were actually swimming right towards us. Everyone had a fantastic time, and yes, it does get a little crazy, but get the right captain and the right excursion tour company and you're gonna have an amazing time. And on to our second jump. it was this moment that I realized that I swam so hard. I swam away from our swimmer, and the whale shark had come in between us. Beautiful whale sharks are just swimming along, but one flip of that tail, they go so fast. You really do have to swim hard to keep up with them. It's so funny. You see them and they're coming towards you and they're beautiful, and you don't even realize they're already past you and you're trying to keep up. Second half of our whale shark excursion is going to the island of Isla Mujeres to have lunch and a little free time for some shopping. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful little island, and the water around is completely clear. It's see-through, the majestic blue that you always want to see in an ocean.
Yeah.
To Cancun with all these wonderful memories and photos. So excited. They did give us a quick stop to feed the little fishes around one of the shipwrecks. So I'll try and give you an idea of the price. I saw anywhere from up to $180 a person to $250 a person. Depends on if you need a transfer. Ours was an hour transfer each way, where you're located, how close you are to the marina, and what is included. We also got lunch and free time in Isla Mujeres. So be sure to check with your tour company as to what options they do have available. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for joining me for my crazy birthday wish. I hope to do it again next year. Doubt my husband will let me. But please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. As a new content creator, it really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.